Hi there. Welcome to our third Photoshop tutorial series. From the previous tutorials, we added the colors and arranged the layers. In this video, I will be showing you how to enhance your drawing by adding some color values. In this stage, I will be adding a layer style, but instead of just adding it directly to the layer, I will begin first by creating a selection. To do that, hold Ctrl then click the thumbnail of the layer that you want to reference as a selection. Once you've created the selection, add a new layer, then click the Add Layer Mask button. As you'll noticed, you have added a layer with a mask referencing the selection earlier. Next, begin by adding the dark color value with a soft edge brush. As you'll notice, with the layer mask enabled, the color will not go beyond the boundaries of the mask. Once you're done, do the same procedure with the other layers. Next, although this is completely up to you, I will show how you can overlay a different color in the line layer. Begin by adding a new layer, rename it, and then make it a clipping mask. Then start adding colors using the soft edge brush. Next, I will be adding a gradient map for color enhancement. Then, you can play the settings for blending mode, opacity and fill for better results. Next, let's add a texture using the dark color values. Select the layer that has a layer mask. Ctrl T to duplicate the layer. Next, go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Then inside the Sketch folder, choose Halftone Pattern. In this window, the settings is completely up to you. In this example, I will set the pattern type to dot, the size is 1, and contrast is set to 6. Again, play the blending mode, opacity and fill for best results. Next, let's add a shadow. First, create a new layer. Create the shadow using a soft edge brush. Next, using the free transform tool or Ctrl T, scale and align the shadow beneath the drawing. Next, you can change the color of a drawing using the color overlay. Then, you can add another texture, using the same procedure earlier. Next, let's add a solid color adjustment layer. This will add a background with a color of your choice. Let's do some refining. Select the 2 shadow layer, Ctrl G to group it, and then add a layer mask. Next, while the layer mask selected, I will do some edits with the shadow using the eraser tool. Next, to emphasize more details to your drawing, you can always repeat the procedure earlier. Always start by adding a new layer, then reference a mask from a selection. There you have it. There are tons of ways to color your drawing in Photoshop, and this is just the basics. If you do have a Wacom tablet, you can take this into the next level. I hope you like the video and somehow find this helpful. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you for watching.